Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another DIY ornament week, day 4. We're going to do some container ornaments. And we're going to reuse this popsicle stick crate. I'm going to link the video in the description down below. We're going to use some pom-poms. We're going to use all kinds of things. We're going to use the small red solo cups from the Dollar Tree. That's an option. They also have buckets you can get if you want to. We're also going to use the teeny tiny styrofoam balls that are left here. As well as if you get a chance, you could either use a book ring for a handle, or we're going to make a handle with just regular twine, or you could use jute, or you could use the cotton twine. Any of those things are options, okay? You also can use a Sharpie if you want to, and then we're going to use some sticks. The sticks is just an option. So, like I said, I'm going to link the instructions for this video in the description box down below. But we made this crate a while back. I just thought it was so cute. It held salt and pepper shakers. So all I'm doing now is I'm taking a piece of jute and I'm making a handle for it so it can hang up. Not anywhere in the near past, but I have seen them selling logs or carrying logs home or whatever. They used to carry the little crates with the handles over their shoulder before they started making bags. So I don't know if I just made this up in my head or if it was somewhere I saw it somewhere in like a history picture or whatever. I don't know. But I just thought it'd be really cute if I put a handle on this crate, just tied it on soup to nuts, and then filled it with logs. So I'm sorry, I'm doing air quotes, logs, because I just have the twigs that are left over from the Christmas tree ornament holder, and I just snapped them in various lengths, as you can see against the edge of the table here, and just stacked them with the largest ones towards the back and the smallest ones on top. And because these are sort of branches a little on the heavier side, like a little thicker side, they actually do look like logs in relation to this little crate. And that's really all of this DIY is. You can go ahead and I'll show you in the in a second that you can add a tag to it if you want to, but all I'm just doing is to make it look like a crate full of logs for your rustic cabin country rustic country Christmas. Very farmhouse, right? So here's what it looks like. I stuck a tag on there just to show you firewood for sale. It's not something you have to put. I'm going to show you both options. I thought the tag was cute. This was just a tag I pulled out. I would probably make a little board and make it a little fancier. But here's what it looks like without the tag. And that's really what its original intention was. And I just thought that one was super cute. So on to the next. I kind of feel like today is just going to be about giving you really quick ideas because there's not a lot of great instructions in them. But we're going to take one of these red solo cups, and I thought they looked like really cute little pails, just without handles. My original intention was to get the little white pails from the Dollar Tree that come 3 for $1 in the wedding section, but I realized that they were white, and white snowballs won't really show up really well in white buckets. I have a subscriber who actually, we were chatting after this video. Actually, she didn't see it. It just was a coincidence. She actually bought some galvanized sort of tin paint from, I think she said Michael's or Hobby Lobby. She said Hobby Lobby. And she was going to paint the little red solo cups to look like tin buckets. So that's an option as well. But all I've done is I've taken this book ring and I've poked holes on both sides. And I fed the book ring through so it looks like a cute little handle. And now I'm just going to take a piece of tissue. First I'm going to write on it. And I've just taken a regular Sharpie. And I didn't do anything fancy here. I didn't do any fancy lettering. I just hand wrote it. Because kind of, you know, if you were selling snowballs, you really wouldn't want to do some fancy lettering. I'm just saying. And I'm just going to stuff some tissue down in there. And I have the 3 styrofoam balls that are left over from this set. I'm just going to sit them on top. I did stick some tissue down there just to don't squeeze. The bucket kind of, as you can see, it kind of got like oblong, so I was trying to like adjust it. But that's okay. So I just stuck a piece of tissue down there just so it would look more full and put the 3 styrofoam balls right on top. And this one I thought was super cute because the handle does stay up on it. And I just wrote this one. I think I wrote snowballs 5 cents each. And that is that one. You can't even really tell it's a binder clip at the top. You can't even tell it's anything but just a handle. All right.
Came to an agreement.
So cute, right? I know. This is great kid craft projects. I'm telling you, we've got so many great kid craft projects. If your kid made you one of these and you would keep it till they're 30, I'm telling you. All right, so then they're just going to make another one. It's the same exact kind of thing. I just want to show you options for without the styrofoam balls, and if you can't find binder rings. We're just going to use a piece of baker's twine, or you can even use jute. Jute would give a stiffer handle. Just in all fairness, the baker's twine I just picked because it was red and white and the bucket was red and white, so I just went with that. But as if it flat, because it's hanging like an ornament, it'll stay up. But if it's just sitting, it'll just flop over. And then we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to poke holes on both sides, and then we're going to knot it through. And instead of making a knot, two knots, one on each inside of each hole, I'm just going to connect the string. I don't find that objectionable. It's not going to get in my way. So that's going to be quick and easy to make it super easy for you. And you can, if you want to, you can go ahead and knot on the inside of each side if you want to. That's fine. Whatever works for you. And this really doesn't weigh a lot. So even if you wanted to like tape the string on the inside of the bucket, that you could do that too. This is very easy. So it's also good for fine motor skills. You want to teach your kids how to tie. And then we're just going to do the same thing where we're going to utilize a piece of tissue down in there. And this is where you want to adjust where your handle goes across. And then for this one, I had pom-poms. I think I mentioned it the other day. I had this bag of pom-poms that I got for $1 from Walmart ages ago. I just grabbed a handful of mismatched sizes because when you make snowballs, they won't all be the same size. And then I'm just going to put a glob of hot glue on there. The hot glue isn't necessary. It's just that if you don't glue down the pom-poms, then the pom-pom snowballs, and a breeze comes by, it can blow them out of the bucket. That's all. Now this one's really hard to see because I used the fine tip Sharpie and it's really blown out the color. But this one actually I put snowballs for sale. The last one I put snowballs 5 cents. So I'm sorry that the lighting just went whoa. But now I'm just going to, like I said, stick a wad of hot glue right down there and shove the handful of pom-poms right on top. And then I just shake off any loose ones and then I glue them individually. And that's it. I know, it's cute. But wouldn't it be kind of precious if say your 7-year-old wrote on there snowballs for sale, and when he's like 40 and he has kids of his own, you just look back on his little handwriting. I just think that'd be so cute. So here is this one, and now you can kind of see the handwriting a little bit better. And here's what it looks like hanging on the tree, and that's it. I know, these were so simple. Don't forget to check out how to make the crate in the video in the description box down below. Thank you. Share with friends and family. Anybody know I'd be interested in making these, give this video a thumbs up, and click subscribe if you haven't yet. When you do, a little bell will pop up. When you ring that bell, YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a video. And remember, every time a bell rings, an angel gets his wings. Or Jerry gets another subscriber. As always, you take care. God bless. And we'll see you next time. Bye.